Story 37. A dervish arrived in a place, the owner of which was a noble, and while he was of noble disposition, and had surrounded himself with a company of distinguished and eloquent men, each of whom uttered something elegant or jocular, according to the fashion of wits. The dervish, who had traveled through the desert and was fatigued, had eaten nothing. One of the company asked him by way of encouragement likewise to say something. The dervish replied, I do not possess distinction and eloquence like you, and have read nothing, so you must be satisfied with one distich of mine. Islam has the saying that if you can convey one verse, do it. And there's different ways of conveying one verse, but well, this is a poem, but the company having agreed with pleasure, he recited, I am hungry and opposite to a table of food, like a bachelor at the door of a bath of females. The company having thus been apprised of his famished condition, produced a tale with bread, but as he began to eat greedily, the host said, Friend, at any rate, stop a while to my servants roast some minced meat, whereon the dervish lifted his head and recited, Do not order pounded meat for my table. To a pounded man, simple bread is pounded meat.